Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a speed clean just to get everything done that I need to get done that day. So the first thing I'm going to start off by doing is putting a load of washing in. I'm finally almost caught up after our washing machine broke and we had to get a new one. So I'm so happy to be caught up now and back on track. The next thing I had to get done was do the dishes. I had a bunch of dishes to do this day. I didn't do them the night before. I ended up leaving them all until the morning. So I had quite a few dishes to do from the day before. So I'm going to get all of these done and put away. Now that all the dishes are done, I'm going to go ahead and take some Fabulosa, run some hot water in the sink, and then this is going to make the whole kitchen smell amazing, and it's also going to run through the rest of the house as well, which I love. And the scent that I ended up using was the unicorn dust. This smells gorgeous. It smells like palm of violets to me, but I do really like the smell. Then the next thing I had to do was wipe over the counters. The scent that I'm using today is these Flora Midnight Blooms. I've been using this for the last couple of days and I still had some left in my bottle, so I just continue to use it until I run out.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi.
Onto our bedroom. So I wanted to make the bed. As you can see, it looked very messy, and now that I've had a new bed, I quite enjoy making the bed a lot more than I used to, even though I quite enjoyed it before. when you have a new bed, I don't know, it's just something about making your bed is really enjoyable. So I made all the bed, put all the throw pillows on, and I also put my throw blanket on the bottom as well.
I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
Then I wanted to fold and put away my clean washing. I had 2 loads of washing to fold and put away here, and I also have a bunch of clothes to hang up of the babies as well.
But oh, how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our
And the last thing I had to do on my list was clean the toilet and freshen it up with some toilet bleach, and that was everything I had to do. So this was a super quick speed clean with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I would love to have you as a viewer on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.